My name's Karen Foster and I was diagnosed in 2008. It came as a complete surprise to me that I had breast cancer. I had no family history, so I was shocked. I had two little kids, they were 7 and 4 at the time, so I was devastated at the prospect of not being here for them for the rest of their lives. I hadn't heard the term chemobrain until I was with a group of other women who had been through cancer treatment, and somebody mentioned it, and I think I said at the time, "Oh, was that really a thing?" I thought it was just me. But everybody piped up and had stories to tell about how it was affecting them. Some people were affected physically. One woman couldn't back her car into her garage anymore without help, which was really frustrating for her. For me though, it's more I can do what I want to do and I function quite normally, but I will get to a certain point in what I'm trying to say, and the next word, which I knew was there when I was starting to say the sentence to somebody, is now suddenly gone. I've got no clue, or I'll get halfway through a sentence and the whole thought pattern will go, and I don't even know what I was talking about anymore, and it's frustrating. Because it's one of the things that I always did well before. I was the sort of person that other people would come to me and say, "Oh, what's so-and-so's wife's name?" Or "Can you remember the name of the guy who did so-and-so?" And I was that person who would always remember it. And now I'm that least likely to be person to remember it, because names go out of my head like that, which is super frustrating. I don't know what it's like to have dementia, but it must be really scary if you know that where your head wants to go but you can't make it go there. It's that kind of thing. But for me, it's just intermittent. Some days I can, go out and speak for one of my charities and be as eloquent as ever I've been, and other days it's like somebody's just turned off the tap in there and the words just don't come, and it's annoying. It's annoying and pulls the rug out from under the who you thought you are, and that's one of the things that cancer does. It's sort of, you think you're running along and you're in charge of your life and you're the control freak of everything in your domain, and then somebody says you've had cancer and you think, "Oh God, no I don't." And so this is like this lasting little remnant of cancer. Even though I know I'm clear of cancer now and all my treatment's over and all that sort of stuff, I've still got this little thing that I'm dragging around with me, and it's got a name and it's called chemobrain, and it's real. When you come out the other side of the treatment pathway, that you are as close to the same person that went into it at the beginning, that you come out feeling as confident and as whole and as together you were when you went into it. Because that's for me, one of the scariest parts of treatment was, can I get through this? What am I going to be like when I come out? You want to be able to live your life, look after your kids, go back to your husband and your family, and be the person that you were before. Yes, you will be changed, but you will come out the outside and still be able to function. And I think having something that will take care of the chemobrain switch, that would be fantastic.